Once upon a time, in a factory where dreams were built, a group of heroes embarked on a quest. Join us as we unveil the Kaizen Chronicles and witness the magic of continuous improvement. Introducing our unstoppable heroes, the Kaizen Squad. Their mission? To conquer the challenges that hindered their factory's greatness and transform it into a beacon of productivity and excellence. With enthusiasm bubbling in their hearts, the Kaizen Squad ventured into the unexplored realms of improvement, armed with their secret weapons: observation, innovation, and collaboration. Their first challenge awaited them in the land of observation, where they sharpened their detective skills and uncovered hidden bottlenecks, glitches, and wasteful practices. With newfound insights, they embarked on the island of innovation, a place bursting with creativity and brimming with ideas. Together, they conjured ingenious solutions and banished the status quo. Now equipped with their brilliant plans, the Kaizen Squad set sail for the shores of implementation, armed with determination and a thirst for change. Day by day, they tirelessly fine-tuned processes, adjusted workflows, and encouraged their fellow colleagues to embrace the winds of change. Every small win was a cause for celebration as they climbed the mountain of progress, measuring their achievements and spreading a contagious spirit of success. As word of their triumphs spread, the entire factory came alive with renewed energy. The Kaizen spirit surged through the veins of every worker, igniting a culture of improvement. Together, they forged a path to greatness, revolutionizing the factory with efficiency, quality, and a shared sense of accomplishment. And so, our heroes, the Kaizen Squad, left an indelible mark on their factory. Their dedication to continuous improvement painted a legacy of triumph and growth.